make me feel most rewarding is have great social impact. I've been always passionate about helping people, you know, based on my past experience, whether it's making drugs or my volunteer time with Township Health Board for 9 years in New Jersey before I moved to Boston. Also, you know, I have been mentoring high school girls to foster their interest in science through many different channels, activities. And
Excellent.
so I would love to see how HiFiBiO contribute continuously making innovative drugs to help patients. And one way I see myself trying to push more and more is find better ways to making drugs, making more effective drugs and quicker, cheaper for the patients. The way how we changing that is leverage the technology that wasn't available to us before, such as single cell technology. For example, when we look at searching for antibody drugs, the classical hybridoma approach takes months, where we could take days. We actually trying to have a resolution of each individual patients, where we understand how those drugs, the drugs we're positioning is through immune modulation. So we can looking at the patient immune systems and to predict what the drug will do for this patient system. So our vision for the company is we try to identify immune modulation drugs for each and every patient. I was one of the co-founder and leader for the Pacific Asia Network, and we have been giving people career advice, Asian, how do we really not to limit it by your social culture background, but rather just being out there, be the best of yourself. So, you know, my advice is don't let any ceiling deter you, whether it's a glass ceiling or bamboo ceiling. You know, I think this is the great thing about this country. I come here being a female, being an Asian, we could do things we want to as long as you make the best out of your opportunities around you.